Hi, what's up guys? It's your boy Flyview to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a common mistake that is happening to some Photoshop users. Now if you installed the program recently in your computer, or just copy the program to a new computer or just install it. The thing is that you may have some issues like this one right here, where I have a picture where it is over saturated and a lot darker than usual. You can see this picture right here. It is really dark and I can barely see. Now the thing is, you can try and change your display settings and everything, but it won't solve the issue because your display is probably working just fine. So the thing is, it's a problem with Photoshop. In the beginning I tried changing my graphic settings like the NVIDIA settings, display settings, color settings, and I couldn't find why this issue was happening because my other computer and the old one, I didn't have this issue. So as you guys can see, the two pictures look really different. This one, for example, the difference is so strong that it's barely hard to see, and if you guys want to do any editing on these images, it's just not doable. So how do you fix this issue? Now it's really simple and easy. This has to do with the profiles. You have the color profiles that Photoshop is using. So to fix this issue, just come here to edit in the taskbar, just come here to color settings, okay? And now you want to go here where it says RGB. Now you guys can see Photoshop just selected one profile. Now you can go and try other profiles if you want, but what I will recommend to do is just come here, monitor RGB, and that's it. Like, your Photoshop will now select whatever profile, color profile your computer has. Of course you can change also some things right here, the dot grain and everything, but if you're just a default user, don't need to do anything, just change it like it is, and your colors should match, or at least be much more usable than they were before. Now you can see the picture clearly, and yeah, hope you don't have any more issues with it. So enjoy your editing, enjoy your Photoshop. If you guys have any questions, just comment down below. I will always be here to try and help anything I can. So if you guys like this video, if I was able to help me, if I was able to help you, you could just help me by liking the video. Of course you can also subscribe, that's a huge help, and I think you all are already subscribed. Hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.